Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit saved passwords in Google Password Manager in 2026. If you've changed a password on a website and want to update it in Google Password Manager, this guide will show you the exact steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Google Password Manager. This will open the page where all of your saved passwords are stored. Now find the website whose password you want to edit and click on it. Google may ask you to verify your identity using your Windows password, PIN, or fingerprint. Complete the verification to continue. After that, click the Edit button or the pencil icon. You can now update your username, password, or both. Carefully enter the new password that you want to save. Once you've made the changes, click Save. Google Password Manager will immediately update the saved password for that website. If you recently changed your password on a website, it's a good idea to update it here as well. This helps keep your saved passwords accurate and makes future sign-ins easier. That's it. Editing a saved password in Google Password Manager is quick and only takes a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google and Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.